Welcome to the LKG class. Hello kids, how are you? Today we will learn World of Letters. Open the page number 15 and 16. Today we will learn W and X. Letter W is a combination of a 4 slant line, capital W and small w looking like a same. Both are same. Here W for web, W for a watermelon and W for a watch. Here this is a X. X is a combination of 2 slant line, capital and small x looking like a same. X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray, X for xylophone, and also XX fox, XX box, XX ox. Open page number 15. Color the circle with the letter W. See, this is W. Yes, it's W. So color it. Is it W? No, it's not W. So leave it. This is A. So leave it. It's not W. So leave it. This is E. So leave it. P. Leave it. This is W. So color it. You can also use your favorite color. And so leave it. This is M. It's not W. So leave it. This is W. So color it. Color the pictures that end with the letter X. So, starting with the nib, this is nib, N I B. इसका लास्ट लेटर कौन सा है? B. So इसे हम कलरिंग नहीं करेंगे. This is fox. Fox की स्पेलिंग क्या है? F-O-X. Fox. Yes. Fox is end with the letter X. Letter X. So I color the fox. Mainly fox are found in brown color. This is N for net. Net is end with the T, so leave it. Box, B-O-X. Box is end with the letter X, so I fill the color. This is a tap. Tap is not ending with the letter X, so leave it. This is ox or X, ox. Yes, ox is end with the X, so color it. Now next, practice writing the letters W and X. Move to the page number 16. Here we will study letter Y, K and Z. Here letter Y is a combination of two slant line and one standing line, and small y is a combination of one slant line and another slant line. Y for a yellow, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Y for a yacht. Letter K is the combination of one standing and two slant line. Here capital K and small k are looking like same. Here K for a kettle, K for kite, K for key and K for king. Letter Z is a combination of two slipping line and one standing line. Here both Z are looking same. Here Z for a zebra and Z for zip. Z for zigzag. Zigzag is a one type of pattern, and Z for zoo. Page number 16. Look at each picture and circle the letter. It begins with, this is a picture of yak. Y for yak. To find out the letter Y and circle it. Circle the letter Y. This is a kite. K for a kite. Find out the letter K. Circle the letter K. K for a key. Find the letter K and circle it. This is a Z for a zebra. Z. Circle the letter Z. This is Y for yacht. Circle the letter Y. Y for a yacht. Practice writing the letters. Letter Y. Letter K. Letter Z. Move to the page number 10 of in the story section. Open the page number 10. K for a Ken and his kite. Ken was a little boy. He loved to fly kites. Ken's mother was in the kitchen making tea in a kettle. Ken was out flying his kite. Oh, but the string broken and the kite flew away. Ken ran after the kite. He met a kitten on the way. The kitten also ran with Ken. The kite flew on and the kitten kept running. Ken's mother came out to look for Ken. She could not find him. She locked the door with a key and kept in her pocket. She went to look for Ken. She saw Ken, the kitten, running after the kite. Suddenly, the kite started coming down. Ken caught the string and got his kite. He said thank you to the kitten for running with him. He promised his mother that next time he would not run after the kite. His mother then gave him some ketchup and chips. Oh, You like chips?